In this video, I'll show you how to create a payment plan with Stripe Invoicing. First, sign in to your Stripe dashboard and go to Billing, then select Invoices. Choose an existing customer or create a new one before creating the invoice. Next, click Create Invoice and add the products or services you want to bill. Review the invoice details, including the pricing, taxes, and payment terms, to make sure everything is correct before continuing. After that, configure the payment schedule for the invoice if installment or payment schedule options are available for your account or integration. Define how the total amount will be divided, set the payment dates for each installment, and review the complete schedule before saving your changes. Now, preview the invoice to verify that the payment plan is displayed correctly. Send the invoice to your customer and ask them to review the payment schedule. Once they receive the invoice, they can complete each payment according to the dates you've configured. Finally, return to the Invoices section to monitor the payment plan. You can track completed and upcoming payments, send reminders for unpaid installments, and update the invoice if changes are needed before the payment schedule is completed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a payment plan with Stripe Invoicing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.